Flash.
Look at this balloon go, Flash.
My Flash! What was that? Are those our balloons? I hate balloons. Balloons are my worst nightmare. How dare you, hardcore thug! Get away from me, balloon! That's it, I'm out of here. I'm going, y'all. Stupid hardcore thug is a shark. I'm gonna go back to Wild West at Alaska. I don't even know what this balloon is. Who are you? I am Dollar. I am a country chihuahua. You're a dog, and how can you talk? You're a bird, how can you talk? Uh-oh, it's the size of balloons. I better run. Bye, y'all. What is that? Is that my greatest enemy? It's balloons. What in tarnations? Hi, dog. I'm so glad that you can talk. Well, by the way, I'm country. Well, we all know that. Yeah, I am famous, known as the country chihuahua. Did you make this hardcore thug? Well, that was, well...
That's what it's for.
Okay. You're so mean to me! Oh my gosh. It's a big giant dog! My name is Dala! I better move back to Alaska, because I am scared of balloons! But there's a balloon over there. Well, I'm so glad that balloon is not touching me. Can I bring the balloon over there? No! No, I don't want you to bring that balloon over there. No. Okay, oh my gosh, you're like Courage the Cowardly Dog. Shut up! You talk so funny. Don't you dare make fun of the country. I'm making fun of the country. They just talk so weird. I'm gonna beat you up. You talk so funny. Hi everyone, I got this balloon. I'm like so homeless and whatever. Why do you always like to say that? Because I'm homeless. Because I got a balloon. Okay. Well, I got it from my trash can, and I have been living in the trash can ever since when I was born. Good for you. Yeah, I'm so homeless. Hey, Dollar. What? I got a surprise for you. What is it? It's a balloon. Balloons! I hate balloons! Do you want it? No! Ah! My Flash! Oh my gosh, I got this balloon, and I'm gonna shoot it. It was so fun. Dog, I told you what my name is. My name is Dollar. Well, I don't even know how you talk, and, like, the two videos don't even talk, like, why you don't talk? Because it's a secret. Because you're a giant, enormous, dog? Shut up! Hey, why does Dollar hate balloons? I don't know. Haha, he's like Curse, a cowardly dog. Shut up! Did you just make fun of me? That's it, y'all. I'm getting over there. That's it. I'm getting over there. I'm gonna come for you. Why did you make fun of me? I don't know. Well, you know what I'm gonna do to you? What? I'm gonna eat you for dinner. No, no, you can't even eat me for dinner. I can fly. You can't fly. You're just a ball shape. Shut up! You shut up, bird. And don't make fun of me. Hey everyone, I got a red balloon. Is that a red balloon? Yes. Get this red balloon off my face. You walked into my balloon.
I got a blue, big, gigantic balloon.
Oh.
I got a blue.
No, my balloon! How dare you?
This is how you blow this balloon.
Really?
That was.
What in tarnations? I thought it was a spaceship or something. No, it's not a spaceship. Oh, I thought it was a spaceship. It was just a balloon. Balloons? I hate balloons! Oh no! I must go! And quick! You're scared of balloons? Shut up! Ugh. My flash! Hey, hardcore thug, are you making a giant blue balloon?
That's his dad.
I must go back to Alaska. I hate balloons. I hate balloons, y'all. I'm going to the airport. Who are you? I am Dollar. Alaskan Chihuahua. What kind of talk is that? Country talk. It sounds funny. But that's how we talk. Oh.